Kinuha mo
Ngayon ko lang narinig na yung respondent ay hindi pinapayagan kung sino ang kanyang lawyers. No? Ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng circumstance na hindi pinapayagan ang respondent kung sino ang pinipili niya na lawyer. So, antayin na lang natin kung ano mangyayari.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.